Please press bell icon to subscribe to my channel Seema Gautam for more videos. Today in this video we are going to discuss and learn about population. In part 1 we are going to discuss about what is population, distribution of population, components of the population change, impact of growing population, causes of overpopulation and underpopulation. So here we'll move further and discuss first about the population. Population refers to all the people who live in a particular area, or we can say the total number of persons inhabiting a country, city, or an district or area. The population of a country is its real wealth. As we move further and discussing about the distribution of population, so China has the largest population in the world with over 1.38 billion, followed by India with over 1.34 billion people. Continent-wise, Asia has the largest population with over 4.4 billion people, followed by Africa, Europe, North America, South America, etc. The population change describes the change in the number of people at a place in a specified time period. This is due to changes in the number of births and deaths. To better understand the population dynamics, we need to learn some important terms given below. First, birth rate. It's a number of live births per year per thousand of the population. And formula is given in front of you, that number of births divided by total number of population multiplied by 1000. We'll move to the next, that is death rate. Death rate is a number of deaths per year per thousand of population. And the formula is calculating death rate is number of death divided by total population and multiply by 1000 here. We'll move next and discuss about the life expectancy. Life expectancy is a number of years that a person is likely to live. And moving further to discuss about the population density. This is another important term when we are discussing about the population. So population density refers to the number of people living in a unit area of a space such as a square kilometer. After discussing the important terms, or we can say the components of the population change, now we'll move further and discuss impact of growing population. The main factors affecting the economic development of a country is population explosion. The effect of population growth can be positive or negative based on available resources. So on the negative side, it raises concern for global warming, mass extinction, robbery, beggary, etc. So now we'll move further and discuss about some more impact of growing population. Food shortage is one of that. If there are more people, more food supply is needed. When there is food shortage, this means there is not enough food supply to sustain the needs of the people. Moving next and learning about the water shortage is another problem which is rising. For more people, naturally more water is needed, and in place where the population is big, there is water problem is also rising. Housing problem is the another one. There are only few families who own their houses and lots. At times in crowded areas, people build their houses along the railroads, river banks, and even along sidewalks, etc. Moving further and discussing another problem, that is a major problem, that is unemployment. Too many people compete with one another for the limited jobs that are available. Unfortunately, the government cannot provide enough jobs for every job applicant. And then health problems. Poor hygiene and poor health is there. Malnutrition due to lack of food, and food nutrients are there, which we have already discussed in previous slide. Presence of disease like bronchitis among babies, diarrhea, and tuberculosis are major diseases are there. Another one, how to solve the problem of garbage. So garbage is also becoming the another problem with growing population. When there are many people producing garbage, we need to more space for garbage. And next we'll move, last but not the least, pollution. In crowded communities, many people are prone to polluted air, contaminated water and noisy environment. Water is also polluted in crowded communities, which I have discussed already with you all. So the other effects of the explosions are, which I have to say, traffic congestion is there, frequent accidents are there. These are also coming with this. Moving further and discussing about some positive impact of growing population. It's not that always things are negative. Positive side, it increase the labor force in an economy. This will increase the growth in goods and services since people will need to buy things. GDP refers to the value of all goods and services produced in economy. If population increases, GDP will also increase since a greater number of workers will be available to produce more goods and services. After discussing the positive and negative impact of growing population, we'll move further. Here I will discuss some of the solutions to problem on population growth. See, promoting health and wellness of the people by building more hospitals, health clinics, render effective health services. Government had carried out housing programs, so people instead of staying in unhygienic condition can stay in the houses, low cost housing in cooperation with the National Housing Authority. Development programs to increase food production, provide potable water supply, construct more roads and bridges. Apart from that, to protect our environment, the government has initiated environment protection projects, etc. and all. Now I'm moving to discuss the overpopulation and the underpopulation. What is overpopulation? Overpopulation is when there are too many people to be supported to a good standard of living by the resources of the region or the country. Or I can say overpopulation refer to an upper limit or population density. It is the one where less resources are there and people are more. And moving to the underpopulation. Underpopulation is when number of people in an area is less than the available resources, and then it is termed as a underpopulation. Underpopulation may be caused by as increase in death rate caused mainly by natural disaster like earthquakes, tsunamis and floods, or man-made disaster such as war. The effect of these calamities are felt all more in the country whose population is not large. Underpopulation can also occur because of reproduction in birth rate due to genetic reason or high rate of infertility in the general populace. High rates of emigration, like people moving out of a country, can also lead to underpopulation. Overpopulation is very undesirable condition where the number of people in a particular area exceeds the availability of resources to meet the needs of all the people. Overpopulation is caused by a number of factors such as immigration, like when people come from another country, increased birth rates and decreased death rates, better medical facilities and lack of family planning, etc.